got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
Nate in your state. And from this clip, this would be the first time I've ever gone surfing in my entire life. Because it's something that you wouldn't expect black people to do, you know? But this is something that they do here quite often in this Afro-Colombian town of Juanchaco. So Juanchaco is a village in the city of Buenaventura. It sits on the Pacific coast in the northwestern region of Colombia. And from Juanchaco, I took a motorcycle all the way to the barrio of La Barba, which is practically a beach neighborhood where I took my surfing lessons. And apparently, a lot of people from Colombia like to take vacations here as well. So with this trip, I was traveling with Christian. If you don't know who Christian is by this time, you definitely got to check out my content, because he's the reason why I actually ended up in most of these other places in Cali that otherwise I would never have known about. So for this itinerary, we hitting up a whole bunch of new spots. That includes San Cipriano, Buenaventura, and then Juanchaco within Buenaventura. I won't be able to show you as much as I would have originally wanted to show because unfortunately, the data that I had for this project has been deleted. The data got corrupt, and me trying to recover data for this episode wasn't going to happen. So when life gives you a bag of lemons, I gotta make some lemonade. So I hope you guys enjoy this. So somewhere in between Cali and San Cipriano, Christian decided to give me a rundown on what to expect going to the Pacific coast on the first time, and this is what he had to say.
You can see the difference because now you can see the forest, right?
Mm-hmm.
But on the Pacific coast is really a jungle.
Oh, really?
Almost a jungle.
Like, como las Amazonias.
Something like that. Something like that, but more wet.
Okay. So I don't got the boots for it, but I think I'll be okay.
Yeah, for sure.
Muchos mosquitos allí or no?
Not too much.
I got the spray just in case.
Okay, you're ready.
I'm ready. And halfway in between, we actually got stopped by police. It just so happens we reached a security checkpoint. And of course, me knowing that this is Colombia, I was sweating bullets. Yeah, what's up, y'all? This is Nate from Nate in Your State. We are at a military checkpoint to go to the next part. And, it's protocol what we're doing right now. And this is what we're going to do right now. We just going to get through this part, and then we'll go our way to Buenaventura, and then we'll let you guys see what it looks like. All right? Stay tuned to that. But after 2.5 hours, we finally reached San Cipriano, and San Cipriano is one of those places that you have to go. It's one of those hidden gems of Colombia. San Cipriano is a small town east of Buenaventura in the region of Valle del Cauca. San Cipriano is a town that is known for its unique transportation system, which involves the use of wooden open-air carts called brujitas. And these brujitas run on old railroad tracks for the locals to get around. And yeah, once again, I am missing a piece of the video that Christian explained the history. But word is that this was one of the places that African slaves fled to in order to escape prosecution from the conquistadors. So with that being said, this town is comprised of solo 100% Colombians of African descent. But I was able to muster up a trailer for you. Check this trailer out. Hope you guys like it. What's going on, y'all? This is Nate from Nate in Your State.
Going where no pair of Tims have gone before.
And I'm in the most unlikely place that I'd even expect to be in.
I'm in the jungles of South America.
We are in pretty much one of the oldest towns here in Valle del Cauca in Colombia, and we're about to go check out to see these waterfalls.
Once again, I'm just some guy from the Bronx. I just decided to travel and see beautiful vistas like this.
I love it because it's filled with black people over here, you know what I'm saying? Our people, it's all over. ¿Estás bien? Hey, I just know this is going to be quite an adventure. See these inner tubes? We're going to take the waterfall down. If this video comes out, I made it out alive.
Yeah, you already know.
If it doesn't come out, I love each and every one of y'all.
Oh, it's getting faster.
So I'm ready for this trip. I'm ready for this. But that was San Cipriano, man. This place was dope. The vibes was good. The food was also pretty good too as well. And one of the other activities that they do for tourism cases is the tuba river riding, what you've seen in the last part of the trailer. And I thought that was pretty dope, man. So this will be a spot I would say if you are touring Valle de Cauca, you must consider having that in your itinerary, especially if you like African history as well. Now, Buenaventura is a municipality in the northwestern region of Colombia on the Pacific coast. It is known as the seaport of Colombia, so all shipments go in and out of this place. It was once known to be a dangerous spot because it being a seaport and a lot of shipment transaction goes here if you can read between the lines. But in my experience there, it's been pretty chill and laid back. I don't have much to show for it, but yeah, I had a lot of drone footage here and this place was pretty dope. So upon taking pictures of the letters of Buenaventura, and Christian was noticing that the ladies behind me were posing for the picture, he suggested I take a picture with them. And of course I was with it. I said, bro, let's get it on. And man, I found out that they're Colombian tourists, but man, I really do wish I had the full footage of all of this though. But yeah, this was actually pretty dope, man. My head was in the clouds, man. I was really feeling myself. And yeah, this was dope. This is dope. So now this is the part we hopped on a boat going into Juanchaco. Juanchaco I liked the most. It felt like I was in Jamaica, so it felt very familiar. When we landed here at the port, we took another boat to actually do some whale watching. Whale watching is something that you would have to experience once in your lifetime if you haven't done so already. The whales appear from October up into early December. So there's a ton of hostels around here too, keep that in mind. So if you plan on going into the jungle at any point, bring your mosquito spray just in case to ward them off. You might not need it though, but because it is like wet and it is a jungle-ish area, it wouldn't hurt for you to bring that. And it was through here that we took motorcycle taxis into the barrio of La Barba. So one of the common things that a lot of people seem to have problems with when it came to coming to Juanchaco and La Barba is that the beach kind of looks a bit messy, but it's mainly because of the Colombian tourists, and I've eyewitnessed this where, you know, some of them drinking their cans of beer and they just leave it on the beach. It's a sad sight, but you know, what can you do? So one of the last things that we did was we went to a secret pool within a secret jungle that is untainted by pollution, and it is a good sight to see. It's a good sight to behold that nature can develop something like this. You get what I'm saying? I went here on a boat with Christian and 3 other women from Bogota. For some reason, me and Bogota females seem to get along. Brothers, that's a heads up for y'all. But yeah, once again, I have another trailer to show y'all. Check this out.
What's going on, y'all? This is Dave from NIYS State. And I am telling you guys that, yeah, you gotta come see the most natural things in this world, man. I've been telling you for a minute, this is what you gotta do. It's still recording. Okay, tengo un poco loco miedo, pero tengo que hacerlo. All right.
But yeah, guys, that's all I have left of the Pacific Coast. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and would you go to the Pacific Coast, Buenaventura? I think it's worth a try, it's worth a shot to visit. The people are friendly, the food is fantastic, the women look amazing, and it's a town full with nothing but black people. I mean, if you want to really go through a historical route and historical exploration, go for it. Let me know your thoughts once again in the comment section down below. Keep eating, keep exploring. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Nate, in your state.